So this is the finished product. You can see all the drains are at the low point of the swale, which is lower than the house. And it's obviously lower than the front street where a lot of the water is coming from. But the sod definitely ties it all together, makes it look really, really nice. And the placement of all the drains are at the low point. So you can see as any water is gonna come down this hill, it's gonna go right into here and drain into these drains. And the nice thing too, like this is the backup one down here in case the gutters ever overflow. But even if this ever gets to capacity with this swale, the water can flow over the surface. That very rarely will ever happen, but I know with the street being up higher, there's a lot of water that flows through here, but it's got a great path where everything can come down. And then we tied in the downspouts, put the filters underneath them. You can see right there, that's gonna be like the only maintenance, just if anything ever gets caught there, taking your hand and wiping it off. But then you can see as we come to the back, it's still, everything still is gonna flow right down into this part over here where we installed the wells and pumps. But instead of sitting here, it's gonna then get pumped and go out to the back far part of the property. But this is exactly what we wanted to accomplish. It looks great, and they're not going to have any more water problems at all anymore.